Good evening everyone, it's me Chandrakala here. Now we will see question answer of chapter number 13, that is compassion. First of all, some answer the following questions are given. So the first one is, we should do unto others as we want others to do unto us. Explain the golden rule in your own word. Actually this I have already explained and now I will give just only one idea that what we want for us from others, we also need to treat them in the same way. So I have written this answer for you here. As we want others to do for us, we should also treat them in the same way. Initially also I have given answers on the board, so the answers can vary. That means the wordings can vary. If you are writing any one, then both the answers will be correct. Second one, why was Shepherd finding it difficult to drive the flock? Its answer is on page number 33. Here, from here onwards, there is a limping lamb in the flock. He is finding it difficult to keep pace with others in the herd, but here we will write there was a limping lamb. This is second answer. There was a limping lamb in the flock. He is finding it difficult to keep pace with others in the herd. Up to here we will do answer number 2. Third question is, what did Buddha do to help him? Page number 34, first line, this one. Buddha took the limping lamb on his shoulder. Up to here it's enough. Only about lamb they are asking, so we will write only this much. Buddha took the limping lamb on his shoulder. Next question is question number 4. What did Buddha say when the lamb was about to sacrifice? Page number 35, that means on the same page, here in the second paragraph it's written, you can write Buddha said. Here you can write Buddha said. From here, this is fourth answer. Buddha said, O great king, stop the man from striking the lamb. Take my life as a sacrifice, but please spare the lamb. This is our fourth answer. From here to here, instead of exclaimed suddenly, we will write Buddha said. That is the only difference. Now question number 5, that is, which law did king proclaim in his kingdom? On the same page, that is page number 35, we are having this answer, this one, last line. The king, from here we will write, the king proclaimed a law that none should kill the animals for the sacrifice or for the personal pleasure. This is our answer number 5. Moral you can write this one, or otherwise if you want to write down simple moral, small moral, then you can write be kind to all living beings. All living beings. This you can write. Okay. Otherwise, the same moral you can write. First of all, you will write moral and then you will complete question answers. Now on next page, some questions, some fill-ups are given that I have written here. You will also write in your fair notebook. Write down in the bubbles given below name of the person who said these words. The first one, stop the man from striking the lamb. Buddha or Gautam Buddha, whatever you want, you can write down. There is a limping lamb in the flock, Shepherd. Then where are you going? Going in the heat of noonday sun, that is Buddha. None shall kill animals for sacrifice or personal pleasure, King. Take my life as a sacrifice, but please spare the lamb, Gautam Buddha. Suppose your father gives you rupees 500, what is the best way you would like to spend that money? That means here some examples are given. You can use any one of these. That means if you are having 500 rupees, then how will you use them? You can give it to your friend who is actually in need, that means he needs money right now, or an orphanage where the children live who do not have parents, and a beggar on the street that you know, and veterinary hospital, that means a animal hospital, Prime Minister's Relief Fund, Red Cross Society, a blind school. So this is your choice. You can choose any one. Accordingly, you will write down. You find a boy beating a dog with stick. What would you do? Suppose you were coming from school or you are going to school, and then you have seen that a boy is beating a dog with stick. Then what will you do? How will you make him understand? How will you help the dog? That you have to write down. you go to a zoo and find some children are teasing the animals, what would you do? Both these answers are almost actually same. That means the same thing, you will request them not to tease the animals and not to disturb the animals. You will try to make them understand that they are also living being just like us, so we should not mistreat them. Okay, they are also having feeling, so we should love them. Likewise, you will make them understand, or you will convince them not to disturb the animals. Next one, have you ever helped any animal? If yes, write down that incident in your own words. This you will do by yourself. The same incident which you have written here, you can write here, no problem. Next one, can you suggest some ways by which you can save animals from being mistreated or killed by people? So here 3 points I have written, you can write anything. So here first one is, be an example of kindness. That means if you will help or you will kind to the animals, or then others will see you doing that and they will automatically obey it. Respect and love animals, discuss with people about this. That means the people should be knowing about that. Here I am not giving you word meanings, because here this chapter do not have actually word meanings. Simple words are there, and word meanings won't be asked in exam also. Okay, so rest of the things we will see in the next class. Thank you.